This is the 2026 CAT Expedition 6x6 motorhome, a machine built for the boldest expeditions, designed to conquer any terrain without sacrificing comfort or luxury. If you thought all RVs were built for flat roads and easy destinations, think again. This is a tactical beast, ready to take on mountains, deserts, and anything in between, all while offering a high-end, functional interior that lets break it down. When you first lay eyes on this motorhome, you're struck by its presence. Finished in matte yellow and black, the exterior screams rugged and unstoppable. This isn't a motorhome you take to a campsite by the lake. This is a 6x6 expedition vehicle built to take on desert dunes, snow-covered peaks, and rocky mountain trails with ease. The 6x6 configuration ensures maximum traction and stability. Heavy-duty wheels. This motorhome maintains traction even in the most difficult conditions. Whether you're navigating sand, snow, or mud, this vehicle is engineered to move without hesitation. The reinforced chassis and military-grade bodywork give it the durability to handle anything nature throws at it. Up front, the CAT logo sits boldly at the grille, flanked by LED headlights and a massive light bar mounted on the roof. The front end exudes power, giving you a clear signal that this is a machine built to lead, not follow. This vehicle's ground clearance is exceptional, and the heavy-duty suspension ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain, while the off-road tires provide maximum grip and resilience on any surface. Now, let's move inside. Inside, the Toyota 6x6 Expedition motorhome is anything but ordinary. The layout is compact, efficient, and designed for long-term travel, offering the perfect balance of functionality and comfort. The overall aesthetic stays true to the rugged, tactical exterior. Soft amber LED lighting is integrated into the ceiling and around the cabinet edges, providing a warm, ambient glow that complements the utilitarian design. The lounge area is the heart of this motorhome. A wraparound leather sofa provides comfortable seating, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. The seats are designed to be supportive and durable, with fine stitching details that elevate the look without making it feel overly luxurious. In front of the sofa sits a fold-down table, perfect for meals or playing games. It's functional and compact, with a small flower vase placed in the center to add a bit of warmth and character to the space. Everything is designed for long-term use, with hidden storage compartments integrated into the walls and under the seating. The space feels comfortable but uncluttered, just how it should be in a functional Overland vehicle. The kitchen is designed for efficiency. The countertop is made of dark stone textured material, with an induction stove and an integrated sink for easy meal prep. The cabinetry is matte graphite, and all the handles are flush for a streamlined look. There's also an overhead microwave mounted on a shelf, allowing you to cook or heat up meals without taking up counter space. Amber task lighting runs beneath the cabinets, providing the necessary light for cooking and food prep. It's clean and functional, with a tactical, purpose-driven design. The sleeping area features a fixed bed integrated into the rear of the vehicle. The bed is elevated, surrounded by dark charcoal walls, and provides a secure and private sleeping environment. Soft amber lighting in the ceiling and headboard creates a calm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for resting after a day of traveling. To access the bed, illuminated stairs are integrated, providing a stylish yet functional way to climb into the sleeping area. Minimal bedding in dark neutral tones complements the vehicle's rugged design, and built-in storage around the walls keeps the space organized and clutter-free. The bathroom is compact but fully functional, designed for the off-grid lifestyle. It features matte black waterproof panels throughout, with a wall-mounted toilet, a built-in sink, and a rainfall showerhead that offers a premium experience. The shower area is separated with a glass partition framed in matte black, keeping everything sleek and modern. Soft recessed lighting in the ceiling and around the mirror creates a warm, comfortable glow. Despite its compact size, the bathroom is efficient and fully equipped, ensuring you can remain self-sufficient during long journeys. Whether you're out in the desert or the mountains, you'll never have to worry about lacking basic amenities. Under the hood, this motorhome features a heavy-duty diesel engine designed for high torque and long-distance driving. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures that the motorhome's power is distributed evenly to all wheels, giving you maximum traction and stability, no matter where you are. The motorhome is also equipped with a powerful suspension system, engineered to handle rough, uneven terrain while still providing a smooth ride on highways or city roads. Ground clearance is impressive, allowing you to easily navigate over obstacles that would otherwise stop a traditional RV. The engine produces massive torque, providing the power necessary to ascend steep inclines, power through thick mud, and handle rocky landscapes without hesitation. This motorhome is designed for adventurers who need both comfort and capability. The 2026 CAT Expedition 6x6 motorhome is not just a luxury RV. It's a fully capable overland vehicle designed to take you anywhere, from desert sands to snowy peaks, while providing a comfortable and functional living space along the way. This motorhome blends military-grade durability with luxurious comfort, offering a unique combination that few vehicles can match. Whether you're crossing mountain ranges, navigating remote deserts, or traveling through dense forests, this motorhome ensures you can go the distance without sacrificing comfort. It's for those who want to explore without limits, go off-grid, and have the confidence that no matter where they are, their vehicle will get them through. Would you take this machine across the most extreme terrains? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more extreme overland vehicles, and check out our other content that pushes the limits of engineering, adventure, and off-road luxury. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.